What I wish I knew about stray dogs instead of pets. In a tiny village, a stray named Bruno became more than just a wanderer. He became a hero. Bruno had been wandering for months, living on scraps. Most villagers ignored him, but he always watched a little girl named Mira, who shared her bread with him. One stormy evening, Mira chased her ball and got lost in the woods. Bruno saw her go and followed. Through the dark, wild forest, Bruno found Mira crying under a tree. He nudged her gently, wagging his tail. Barking loudly, he guided her home, soaked and muddy but safe. From that day, Bruno wasn't a stray anymore. The village built him a cozy home, and Mira called him her hero.